cars and rain. How it's here in Argentina. Starts raining and cars starts crashing. Why? Because the like everywhere in the world, the street is wet and the car loses grip. But the most important thing is that here we don't have a very strict test of driving. So to take a earn a, to get to take to ¿cómo se dice? To obtain a driving license, it's quite easy. It's a simple test. Now it's changing that, but in the past 1, 2, 3 years before, if you know someone from the license office, it's probably sure that you will get the license very easy and quickly. So everyone who wants to drive can have a license. Okay, the thing is people want to get the closer they can to the place they want to go. So if you want to go to the bank, you want to park in the front of the bank because it's raining, and of course if you get wet you go rusty. If you have to pick up your kids from school, don't want to get wet, so some parents put their cars in the sidewalk so the kids don't get wet.